my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brittany, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys my empty condo tour. I announced on Instagram that I purchased my first property, and if you guys are wondering why I went with a condo instead of a single family home, comment down below and I'll probably do a series on this whole journey. But other than that, I just wanted to show you guys how it looked, like how I purchased it, and then I'm going to be doing a ton of updates and I'm going to be bringing you guys along on the journey with me. So if you're interested in that, then stay tuned, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into this tour. So as soon as you open the door, this is how it looks. Let me get in. You're walking right into the living area. So as you can see, as soon as you walk in, you see those two long windows there, and then I also have the door to my patio. Or balcony, sorry. And then I'm gonna need to do some updating on the painting, of course, because this is like a brown color. I don't like that. They had stencils up here and stuff like that. So this is the space as soon as you walk in. So let's go back to the front door. And the first thing you see is like a coat closet. And it's pretty deep, so I'll definitely be utilizing this. I have a ton of clothes and shoes, so I'm gonna be using every single inch of space. It's a nice coat closet. I'm also gonna be updating the knobs and stuff like that. So let's come back on this side and give you guys this view. Now you can see this wall here is probably where I'm gonna put my TV. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it here or on this side here, but I do have an intercom system to let people in and things like that. So then if you come over here, you see this is the dining room area. I'm also gonna be getting new flooring and stuff. I'm gonna be taking up this carpet. Even though the carpet is new, I don't really want carpet, at least in this living space and the dining space. I'm not sure about the bedrooms yet, but definitely taking up the carpet here. And then I have two large windows. Definitely updating fixtures. As you can see, this is pretty outdated. And then if I come back here in the corner, you can see my kitchen area. I love the clear cabinets, so pretty. And this is my bar area. It's pretty long. It's not showing as long in the camera, but I can fit about 5 stools right there, to be honest with you. I'm not sure. I do want to update the countertops, but I'm not sure if that's going to be like an immediate thing yet, because I do want quartz, and that's quite expensive, but we'll see. And then here you can see the refrigerator. I do have another refrigerator that has the dispenser, but I love a white kitchen, so I am going to keep the white appliances, I think, at least for now. So when I walk in here, this is the kitchen. Plenty of cabinet space just for me. And again, on this side, they both open. I opened that one up. That's how I was filming my intro. And yeah, drawers. Something's going on with that cabinet. I don't know why it's this color, but I'm gonna be redoing this stuff. And that's the sink. And then we're back out into the living space. Okay. So now we have a small hallway. Right here is just the hot water heater and HVAC. On this side is my washer and dryer, kind of like a little laundry space. So you have the shelving here, just the connects, and this flooring. It looks pretty bad, but I did buy some peel and stick tiles. I'm gonna do marble in here. So you won't really be able to see it, especially when I get my washer and dryer in here, because they're pretty big, but I don't want that down there. So I'm gonna put some marble. And they just have these little sliding doors. I don't know if I wanna replace these doors either with mirror. I may just keep them like this though. And then here is my first bathroom. Sorry about that. So this is the first bathroom. It is a full bath. And it does have the white tile and a tub. I'm gonna get a new shower head, of course. Definitely painting in here as well. And here I go. So this is the sink. I like these little old school knobs here. Really cute. I think I'm gonna keep that, but I'm definitely gonna be updating the knobs and stuff here on the cabinets, and probably updating that fixture as well because it's kind of 90s. So when we come out of here, we have a linen closet, and yeah, it just has like a lot of shelves in there. So I'm gonna put my towels and everything. And then you come to the second bedroom. So it has 2 windows in here, carpet is still back here, and it has a closet here. It's just like a standard closet. So I'm gonna show you guys. Let me step back. So here is the closet. Not quite a walk-in, but it is decently sized. Has a rack there, and there's the bottom. So yeah, I can probably put like all of my handbags and boxes and stuff in here. That's what I'm thinking. And once we come out of this room, here is the master. It also has 2 windows. And I'm gonna be updating the fan, of course. So the master, let me just get in this area. This is what the master looks like. And the bathroom is back there. So first I'm gonna go right over here to show you guys the closet. And let's turn the light on in here. So the closet in here is pretty large, and I need every single bit of that space. I have so much stuff, you guys, it's ridiculous. So I'm gonna probably get these closets redone in due time. They don't have any rods in here. I think they were just using like the little holes to hang their clothes, but I'm gonna need some rods. So here on both sides. So you can see it's pretty big. I can like put a vanity in here if I wanted to. Pretty large, which I am grateful for. And now we're gonna go into the master bathroom. And this is the entryway. There's towel here. And then here I am again. So we have like a large mirror, the same little fixtures. This is a bigger vanity. And the little old school knobs, which I love. And then it has 2 larger cabinets and 2 drawers here. And then this is not gonna stay, I don't know, this came with the place. And they had this little thing here too, which is probably gonna come out. Let me put the light on. So yeah, of course, the toilet. And here is the bathtub. It needs to be cleaned. Yeah, so it's not too big. And it does have a door on it for the bathroom part, and then the vanity is kind of like out here. So I'm happy with it, I like it. All right, so that's it, you guys. So it is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo with a living area and also a dining area, kitchen. So pretty simple just for me. And I cannot wait to decorate and bring you guys along. So yeah. All right, you guys, so that concludes my empty condo tour. Stay tuned because we're gonna be doing a lot of updates, and I'm gonna bring you guys along on the journey with me. So let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and I'll talk to you girls on the next one.